Hello and welcome back to Digital Dynamo Lab. In today's video, we are going to learn how to convert binary numbers into octal in a simple and easy way. Even if you are a beginner, this step-by-step method will help you understand the conversion clearly. Let's get started with binary to octal conversion. Now let's convert the binary number 11011111110 into octal. First we group the binary digit into sets of 3 starting from the right. So 110111110 becomes 01101111110 after adding a 0 at the beginning to complete the first group. Now we convert each 3-bit group into its octal value. 011 is 3. 011 is 3. 011 is 3. 110 is 6. Finally, we combine the octal digits. So, 110111110 in binary is equal to 3336 in octal. And that's how you convert binary to octal easily. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Digital Dynamo Lab for more number system tutorials.